Imagine looking into the skies in the year 2030. The fighter jets, bombers, drones, and military technology protecting the United States may look completely different from what we see today. Artificial intelligence, sixth-generation fighters, hypersonic weapons, and autonomous drones are expected to transform aerial warfare forever. The United States Air Force has already begun preparing for this future. Instead of relying only on traditional fighter aircraft, military planners are developing an entirely new generation of air combat systems designed to operate faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. One of the biggest changes expected by 2030 is the arrival of the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, also known as NGAD. This aircraft is expected to replace the legendary F-22 Raptor. Although many details remain classified, defense experts believe NGAD will feature advanced stealth technology, powerful sensors, artificial intelligence, and the ability to control multiple unmanned aircraft during combat missions. Unlike today's fighter jets, future pilots may command an entire team of autonomous drones known as collaborative combat aircraft. These drones could scout enemy positions, jam radar systems, carry additional missiles, or even sacrifice themselves to protect the manned fighter. This would allow pilots to stay farther from danger while maintaining complete control over the battlefield. Stealth technology is also expected to become even more advanced. Engineers continue developing new materials and aircraft designs that reduce radar detection from multiple angles. Future aircraft may also use electronic warfare systems capable of confusing enemy radar rather than simply avoiding detection. Artificial intelligence will play an increasingly important role in military aviation. AI systems could monitor thousands of battlefield variables every second, identify potential threats, recommend tactical decisions, and even assist pilots during high-speed air combat. While humans will remain responsible for critical decisions, AI will dramatically increase reaction speed and battlefield awareness. Hypersonic weapons are another technology expected to reshape aerial warfare by 2030. Traveling at speeds greater than Mach 5, these missiles are extremely difficult to intercept. Future American aircraft may carry hypersonic weapons capable of striking targets hundreds of miles away within minutes. America's famous B-21 Raider stealth bomber is also expected to become a key part of future air power. Designed with advanced stealth characteristics and long-range strike capability, the bomber will strengthen the United States' ability to conduct strategic missions across the globe while remaining difficult to detect. Military satellites will become even more important by 2030. Modern fighter jets will constantly exchange information with satellites, surveillance aircraft, naval forces, and ground units through secure digital networks. This level of connectivity will allow commanders to respond much faster than ever before. Electronic warfare will likely become just as important as missiles and bombs. Future aircraft may disable enemy communications, interfere with radar systems, or disrupt battlefield networks without firing a single shot. Winning the electronic battle could become the key to winning the air war. Pilot training will also change significantly. Advanced virtual reality simulators and AI-powered instructors will prepare pilots for highly realistic combat scenarios before they ever enter a real aircraft. This could reduce costs while improving readiness and safety. Despite these incredible technological advances, future air combat will remain unpredictable. Nations around the world continue investing heavily in advanced fighter jets, drones, missiles, and cyber warfare capabilities. Maintaining air superiority will require constant innovation and rapid adaptation. By 2030, the United States Air Force could operate one of the most advanced military aviation systems ever created. Combining stealth aircraft, intelligent drones, hypersonic weapons, space-based surveillance, artificial intelligence, and networked warfare, the future battlefield may look more like science fiction than traditional air combat.